Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option to choose? Which strike price will be the best strike price? So let us go into the video. This is a small video and it is created only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us see the graph of Nifty. So Nifty on a 5 minutes candle, it was like this, and so a small retracement from the current yesterday's fall, and it's a kind of small up move and then retracement. It was making like a higher highs and higher lows, and it was a very good trending day for the whole day. So there is no kind of any sudden fall or sudden spikes or something like that. So it was gradually increasing throughout the day, and it was a kind of very good move, but the closing is kind of a little bit sentimental. It just closed below 9,000 level, so that is one thing which we have to look out for. How is this kind of move you can expect? So this is a kind of profit booking because today is expiring. So this is the main reason for a kind of the small uptrend is mainly due to the expiry. So let us wait and watch for tomorrow's action. Let us have a small quick look at daily candlestick. So daily candlestick, you can see narrow candle, or you can say kind of small retracement candle, I would say. So again, it is within this channel, so tomorrow you can expect to lose this all these gains, and then it may touch again back to this 8,800 level. So that is what the expectation for tomorrow is. So so that it might go down to this channel. So the logic behind this drop expectation for tomorrow is it has to follow this channel, so definitely there will be a fall you can expect tomorrow. And Bank Nifty was behaving like a little bit conservative today. The main reason for today's not performance is the Bank Nifty was not supporting for the Nifty's move. So Bank Nifty rose by around 70 points, whereas Bank Nifty just 300 points, and in between it was trading very narrow. So that was one of the major reason. If you go into 5 minutes candlestick, you can see during this first 1 hour session there was no big movement, and then it moved, but even here also you can see there is no big movement. So when Nifty was moving like this, Bank Nifty, you can see here almost a flat, and then here almost a flat. So though there was a gain in the point, but the movement is not adequate as the Nifty was doing. And let us go to the option chain data for next week, that is for 23rd April expiry. So still it has to mature, but with the current data you can see this 9,000 level is having a kind of maximum pain, which is clearly visible by this sensible data for this 23rd April. So maximum pain is located at 9,000 level. So tomorrow it might trade at this 9,000 level. It might trade at this 9,000 level and may go further down, because you can see the option chain is building, like open interest is started building up at this level. So this might push down up to this 8,800 level. So that is the kind of level which you can watch out for tomorrow. And you can see there are a lot of supports currently being built up. 8,800, and further if it goes down, 8,700 is having a good support. So there is a very good kind of OI build up in the put option, stating that there may be a support on the Nifty to go down. And coming to the Bank Nifty is have to mature a lot, because today being the expiry, and there is no much of trade happened for the rollover options. So let us wait and watch. Until then, just keep your Bank Nifty for hold, because the premiums are still high. So 600 and 700, and IV is yet to kind of gain momentum. So today you just hold on with this kind of data. Option chain is not matured enough. And coming to the global data is doing little bit positive or neutral as of now. It's loading. Let us come back then. So let us see the strike price for tomorrow. So strike price for tomorrow will be most probably on the put option side. You can go with this 9,000 put option or 9,200 put option, but the premiums are a little bit high in the range of 200 to 300 level. So maybe you can wait for first half an hour to 1 hour time, so that the premium will little bit wash out, and then it will give you a kind of fresh entry. So my suggestion will be go ahead with this kind of put option side with the kind of ATM or ITM option, and if you're a little conservative you can go ahead with this OTM put option of 8800, which is now trading at 107, and tomorrow it might reduce some of the premium and then it might trade at the range of 80 to 90 level, which is a kind of very good entry for a retail trader. Coming to the Bank Nifty today's closing point was 19,400, a very good closing, and considering the same scenario one can go ahead with this put option, and 19,700 there is no trading has been started, so as of now hold on with this one, and then the same thing, hold for half an hour to 1 hour time. If you are getting a kind of very good price action and there is a reduce in premium, you can find a very good entry for this put option side. So the same suggestion holds, like 19,400 PE, or if you want to go ahead you can choose this 19,100 PE, which is also, there is no much of difference for 300 point strike price difference, so which is trading at 500 and here it is trading at 591, 541. So hold on for at least 15 to 30 minutes time, so that this premium will settle down tomorrow and then ease up for your entry. Until then just hold on for a while. Okay, SGX Nifty is trading somewhat flat, 6 rupees plus from the evening closer, so we have to wait till tomorrow's morning session. So that is how it is. Like let us have a kind of daily chart, and Bank Nifty is going in a kind of symmetrical triangle, so it might come and touch this 17,500 to 18,000 mark. So this is a kind of very good foreseeable range for the Nifty. So on the Bank Nifty one can expect next week to touch 18,000 level to 17,500, and on the Nifty side one can expect 18,500 or 18,400 level in the coming sessions. So it might not have a steep fall, it might gradually reduce down. So till then hold your money and then don't invest for long term. Market is still have to correct and it's a kind of consolidation phase or something, so just give them a breath. So there may be a steep fall or whatever it is, so sit back with your money in your hand. So that's the kind of very good approach. If you are doing on an intraday, that is well and good. Just invest into something and then take the money out by evening and then wait for tomorrow's entry. Okay, and let us come to the TLP program. It's a 6 days online program. We are planning to start on Monday, and it's a 6 days, like 1 to 2 hours after the market hours, somewhere around 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. in the evening. And these are all the topics covered, from basic share market analysis, support and resistance, stock screening and stock selection, and more detail into futures, option and option selection strategies, and then the remodified long-term investment, which is one of the key factor which you can look at, and also how to trade with the discipline. So these are all the topics covered. So for enrollment of 20th April batch, you can contact my WhatsApp number or my Telegram link provided here. All the very best and have a wonderful trading session tomorrow. Thanks guys, bye.